my name is Shikha Sopti and I'm the co-founder of Sai Krishna Foods.
Hi, my name is Raman. I'm a co-founder of Sai Krishna Food as well.
And our company is based in Dieppe, next to the airport. Yeah. So our journey started, actually Sai Krishna was founded in 2019 when we migrated from Dubai after living there for 15 years. And the idea was to get the authentic handmade samosas into New Brunswick. So we started with 200 samosas, and in the first year of opening this business, we sold around 50,000 samosas, more than 50,000 samosas. So from there we got the confidence that we are on the right track, and this is a niche product, and people loved it. We got so much of love, and then I think from there the journey started, and we now today we are in Sobeys, we are in IGA, we are in all the Foodlands in New Brunswick, and in Nova Scotia and New Brunswick we are supplying through Cisco as well. So in total today you can find us in more than 60 locations. So buy local for good means a lot to us, because we ourselves, we are the local suppliers, and we know especially after COVID how much this is important, and I think everybody has understood the importance to us. So basically what we believe is it supports the community. The local food is amazing, it's wonderful, and I think we are building an economy within itself. So I think that's a great initiative by the government, and I think we all should support it. I think as an immigrants, when we moved from another country to a new country, the support is very important. Today, if people think we are successful, and even we are very proud of our achievements, it's because the people loved it, they supported it. So for sure, for us, the love and support of New Brunswickers is very important to us and for our business.
Who make us famous?
Yeah. I think when COVID wrecked the whole world, I think everybody was touched, whether emotionally, financially, even the businesses suffered a lot. But I think me and Raman, we always try to find something positive in everything. So what we decided, this is not the time to sit back and just suffer through the situation. We decided, and Raman took the initiative to make 1,000 meals, and we made the meals and we donated them to the charities like Food Depot Elementary. It was given to Crossroads for Women and Magma. So I think that gave us also the positivity. I think that was the time for us to give it back to the community who have done so much for us. And I think from there the journey of getting into the meals also started, because people loved our meals and they started asking from where they can get our butter chicken. So I think from there, and I think it was a very positive feedback, and now our meals they go to all the farmer markets with the Foodland, with the rice. So I think that also helped us to give an insight. Okay, this is also an opportunity which could be looked at.
Buy
Buy local for good.